Hi everyone, welcome to Arm Candy. So today we have got for you this really cute Aspinal of London micro Lottie. So this micro Lottie has the leather plaited adjustable chain strap, so I'll just show you that. It's adjustable too, so you can make it shorter or longer. It's in deep shine topaz, and we've got this kind of shiny mock croc print leather on here on the flap closure. It's got 4 gold base studs on the bottom, and it's got the Aspinal flap closure with that flap lock as well. I'll show you the inside. So inside we've got one open section there, one open section there. In the middle we've got this zipped pocket, central zip pocket as well. I'll show you that zip. Pretty easy to use still. And then just at the back we've got that flat slip pocket. We love this bag, and we hope you love this bag too. If you love bags just as much as we do, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you get an alert every time we bring out a new video and a new bag. So for the condition of this bag, we've called the exterior good. There's minimal marking, and I'll show you all around. You can just have a look. Minimal marking still, but it's just lost kind of some of its structure. You can tell it's pre-loved. It's got creasing here, just in those corners here. I'll show you the other side. Just a little bit of creasing there, and a few, I'll show you in the light, indentations there. But the corners are still pretty good. So that's why we've called the exterior good. For the hardware, again, we've called it good. You can see on this chain strap and on these little bits of the chain strap as well, still very shiny, got minimal scratching or marking on there, not discoloured or anything. The same thing with the Aspinal badge here, minimal scratching and marking, but on the bottom you can see these base studs, just kind of from natural wear, and have got quite a few marks and scratches on them, which you can't see as much on the camera, but they are a little bit marked up and scratched up. That's why we've called the hardware good. Interior, again, we've called good. Similar to the exterior, just kind of got natural wear and a little bit of creasing here from where it's opening and closing. And then there's a couple of marks that I'll just show you. So just below the Aspinal of London there, just got a little mark there, and a little mark just inside here on the slip pocket, just there. So that's the condition of this bag. This Aspinal also comes with the original receipt, which is a little bit faded, but you can see, still just see the receipt writing on there. And it comes with the Aspinal of London guarantee card, which is also the care card on the back. The size of this bag, if you want the exact size, go to our website. You'll find the link to this exact bag in the description below. If it takes you directly to the bag, perfect, it's still available. If it just takes you to our generic product page, unfortunately it is sold out. But if you love this bag, then we can get you on our request list, which I will talk to you more about in a bit. So for the size of this bag, I'll show you on me for reference. So I'm a UK size 10 and 5'4". So you can wear this bag with the short chain strap as a shoulder like this. You can see it on me here. Or you can also have it, adjust it so you've got the long strap, and have it as a crossbody like that. So again, as I said before, for exact measurements, go on the website and you'll find some more details for this bag too. Also on our website, you'll find all sorts of other bags. We've got lots and lots of bags on there, and we're getting new bags in every day. So hopefully you'll be able to find something that you like. But if you don't, get our email and write us over an email that says exactly what you want on it, and we'll get you on our request list, which means that as soon as we get in the bag that you want, you'll get an email alerting you that it's gone live on our website, and you can get in there before everyone else. Don't forget also, to go to the How to Sell With Us page on our website, which will give you all the details you need to sell any arm candy you'd like to sell with us. Finally, on our website, don't forget to go on any page you're on the website, scroll to the bottom in your email, and you should get that straight away. If it doesn't go straight to email, check your spam, it might have gone in there, but yeah, get signed up to our newsletter so you can get your discount code. And that is everything I have for you, so we'll see you later with some more arm candy.